If you have never worked with Wera products before, this is the perfect set to get you into the world of the best German tools. This is Wera Kraftform Kompakt W2, set dedicated for maintenance of various devices and mechanisms. It contains many of Wera's original technologies that make your work so smooth. Straight away you can see how much attention Wera gives to the look of their products. The box is elegant and exactly matches the case inside, no wasted material. The case itself is beautifully crafted. These are not printings, these are sold-on rubber emblems. That's quality right there. On the back, a Velcro strap for a Wera to-go system, of course, with the adhesive piece. But we're not here for the elegant case. Let's have a look what's inside. As always, Wera wants the tools to be both displayed and easily accessible. All the beads, sockets, blades, nothing is left unseen. This is the second revision of this set without the mains testing screwdriver. It was replaced with a small Kraftform slotted screwdriver. For sockets and beads, you get the Zyklop speed 1/4 inch ratchet. It swivels both ways and can be locked in 5 positions. The black collar can help you with faster turning, precision and quiet operation. That's German technology. As well as Take It Easy Tool Finder, also German. The color coding on the tools. This original Wera's way of marking their tools makes finding everything much faster. Each size is marked with a different color. All the sockets are mounted in case using twist and lock mechanism. In case you forgot how to take them out, there is a small drawing inside. This mechanism holds them in place and makes them ready to use. For putting them on the Zyklop, simply push the middle of the green eye. The beads are made of the highest quality steel. All can be mounted using the Rapidaptor, Wera's original mounting system. It holds beads firmly and is easy to unlock. Also, you can find 2 extensions, 50mm hex and 73mm square 1/4 inch with a sleeve. Even though in this set there is only one Joker double-sided spanner, you still get all the best of this series. Here are 10 and 13, the most common sizes, of course, color-coded. The jaws are designed from scratch to be efficient, safe and comfortable to use. The stop plate helps hold the nut in place without the use of magnets. It also prevents slipping. And the best, you can flip the wrench and get the sharp teeth to bite into the rusted bolt or nut. There's also something for electricians, safety. Insulated Kraftform handle with VDE certified slim blades. Quick changing between the tips with just one press. Special design helps with reaching the tight spaces. Must have for everyone working with live wires. But you don't get any pliers. If you're looking for the best, check the link in the description. Let me introduce you to your new assistant. He's never late, doesn't need brakes, and when you ask him to hold a screw, he will never screw it up. The screw holder. It's very handy and intuitive to use, and what's more, it fits all the included blades. Just like this. And what about this set? It is a great example of a well-thought design. Everything here is for a reason and made just for you, to make your work easier. No ale ja je widzę, że mi do oczu wlatują. As always. Lower. 50mm hex. Let me introduce. It's for a reason.